Today, I'm going to be sharing with you all my tips and tricks on how to create a skincare routine that will leave your skin feeling healthy, hydrated, and glowing. From cleansing to sun protection, I'll be covering all the steps you need to know to get that radiant complexion you've always wanted. So whether you're a skincare beginner or an expert, make sure to stick around and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss a thing. Let's get started. Here are some steps to create the perfect skincare routine for glowing skin. All product links are in the description. Step 1. Cleanse. Begin your routine by cleansing your skin to remove any dirt, oil, and makeup that has accumulated on your skin throughout the day. Use a gentle cleanser that is suitable for your skin type, whether it's dry, oily, or combination skin. Step 2. Tone. Toning helps to balance your skin's pH and prepare it for the next steps of your routine. Choose a toner that contains ingredients that are beneficial for your skin, such as witch hazel for oil control or aloe vera for hydration. Step 3. Exfoliate. Exfoliating helps to remove dead skin cells, unclog pores, and promote cell turnover. However, be careful not to over-exfoliate, as this can cause skin irritation. Choose an exfoliating product that is gentle and suitable for your skin type. Step 4. Treat. This step is where you can apply any treatments or serums to address specific skin concerns such as dark spots, fine lines, or acne. Look for products that contain active ingredients such as retinol, hyaluronic acid, or vitamin C. Step 5. Moisturize. Moisturizing helps to hydrate and protect your skin. Choose a moisturizer that is appropriate for your skin type, whether it's a lightweight lotion for oily skin or a rich cream for dry skin. Step 6. Sun protection. Don't forget to apply sunscreen with SPF 30 or higher before going outside, even on cloudy days. Sun protection is crucial in preventing skin damage and premature aging. Step 7. Nighttime routine. At night, follow the same steps as your daytime routine, but add a nourishing night cream to help repair and rejuvenate your skin while you sleep. And that's our wrap on today's video. I hope you enjoyed learning about the perfect skincare routine for glowing skin. Remember, the key to achieving radiant skin is consistency and finding the right products that work for your skin type. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and make sure to leave a comment below with your favorite skincare tips and tricks. And if you're not already, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on those notifications so you never miss a video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.